So, let me introduce myself. My name is Kelvin Valencio. I'm from the Informatics Engineering Study Program. So, I will be at opposition side. So, I will explain about what is a resource allocation. Resource allocation refers to the utilization of resource available for a particular use. And for example, there is global warming. What is global warming? Global warming is a process of increasing the average temperature on the Earth atmosphere, oceans, and land. Rising global temperatures are expected to lead to order change such as rising sea levels, increasing intensity of extreme weather phenomena, or the consequence of global warming are the impact of agricultural products, the loss of glacier, and the extinction of various types of animals. Global warming and climate change are known to be closely related to each other. The current global warming is a problem for the human on Earth. The existence of global warming, or commonly known as global warming, has finally caused a series of changes for the environment. To combat this problem, it is important to understand the explanation of global warming because it can have an impact on the whole world. So, supposedly, this global warming must be well understood so that in the future it's expected to make an eye opener about the condition of climate change on Earth. In order to understand the meaning of global warming, our, awareness of climate change will increase and global warming can make people move to save the earth. Global warming in general is a condition where the earth is experiencing an increase in the average temperature of the atmosphere, land to sea. Even this global warming increase in the mid to 20th century due to the increasing production of greenhouse gas. It's explained by NASA that the notion of global warming is long-term warming with the Earth climate system observe 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 si- since the since the pre pre-industrial pre-industrial period between 1850 and 1990. It all happens because human activities, especially the burning of fossil fuels, increase the level of greenhouse gas trapped in heat in the Earth's atmosphere. Meanwhile, according to National Geographic, global warming is long term. Global warming of the planet overall temperatures, although this trend of warming has been going on for a long time. Its speed has not increased significantly in the past 100 years due to the burning of fossil fuels. So, here are several ways to reduce or prevent global warming. Number one is reduce. Reduce is the first way to overcome global warming is to save the use of paper and tissue because it's made of wood that must be cut down from trees in the forest. While forests are need to neutralize CO2 emissions in the air. Number two is save water. Save water is the second way to overcome global warming is to save water use. And then number three is use public transport and bicycle. The third way to overcome global warming is to limit the use of car and motorcycle only to travel distance for short distance. You can start the habit of walking or using bicycle. Number four is recycle. Is the fourth way to overcome global warming is to use clothes made of environmentally friendly materials, use recycle bags to save the environment. And number five is vegetarianism. Is the first is the fifth way to overcome global warming is to become a vegetarian according to a recent study. The best and easier thing that can be done to improve the condition of the planet is to remove meat and dairy products from the food menu. Given the global population estimate to reach a scale of 10 billions by 2060, the research also analyzed the uniform impacts caused by human food production and consumption. The idea behind the study is to help inform food producers and consumers about better ways to mitigate its adverse impact to the earth. So I don't agree with this motion because I think global warming can be slowed down and prevent if we have awareness, although it will probably take a long time, but it's better than us not trying to slow down or prevent that global warming. So thank